Well, we're doing the weekend forecast today. Going to have a detailed look at the weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. Very uncertain forecast coming up. Uncertainty starting as early as tomorrow, would you believe, in terms of the detail of this forecast. So it's going to be a really difficult one to pin it down. It certainly looks over south. It's going to get quite a bit of rain through Sunday, Monday, possibly into Tuesday as well. There could be some thunderstorms with that as well. And there's a lot going on through the course of the coming week. I'll get on with it in a moment. Before we get on with the video though, I just want to talk about the advertising. There's keyword ads on all my pages at GatsWebBiz.com. You can click through those green keyword ads and go to the advertising website. By doing that, you're supporting GatsWebBiz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. Websites we're using today for weekend forecast. Got radar pitch coming from the UK Met Office. We've got the charts from wetcentral.de and weatheroutlook.com. All three of those websites can be found on my links page. So, just starting off with radar picture, and this is the current radar slide from the UK Met Office. We've got some quite persistent rain here across southern southwest of Scotland down into Northern Ireland as well. Some heavy showers breaking out across parts of Northern England and particularly down in towards Wales and southwest England. We've got some really heavy showers, some convection beginning to develop with those, some thunderstorms and flashes of lightning, rumbles of thunder, some hail as well starting to develop in those showers down in the southwest. They'll become more widespread, these showers, across much of the Midlands in towards Northern England, East Anglia, possibly as well through the course of the afternoon. But far south, along the south coast and down in the southeast, maybe not too many showers this afternoon, but there's going to be a lot of heavy showers around, and this more persistent area of rain through southwest Scotland and Northern Ireland will probably move down in towards Northern England actually through the course of the afternoon. Just have a very quick look at the jet stream. I know some of you do like to see where the jet stream is, and this is today's current jet stream forecast from the GFS Bowl. This is actually where the jet stream is today, and we can see that this yellow and orange streak is more or less over southern England and northern France. So the jet stream again is well south of where it should be. This has been a common occurrence through many summers since 2007. Jet stream tracking well south where it should be. It should, if we're having a fine summer, be up over Iceland and Greenland. It's down over southern England and northern France. That's the reason it's unsettled. And because we're on the northern side of that jet, we're on the cool side of it, so that's the reason that it is relatively cool today. So this is the GFS chart for today. The low pressure across Scotland is the main driver of the weather. Tightly packed ice bars as well across England and Wales. It's a really windy day. Once again, having a lot of wind just at the moment, and again today is another windy day. So yeah, we're looking at sunshine and showers really. Some of the showers heavy with hail and thunder, lightning as well, some thunderstorms in places, and that more persistent area of rain across southern Scotland, moving down in towards northern England through the course of the day. But anywhere really, the showers could band together and form some longer spells of rain. There will be some drier, brighter slots around as well. Not everywhere going to catch showers. Some places will get very lucky, miss the showers throughout and have a fine day. And along the south coast, it's probably going to stay mainly dry as well in those areas. But you'll be doing really well, I think, not to get any showers at all today, so there's going to be a lot of them around. Temperatures today on the cool side. It is a cool day, particularly feeling cool across England and Wales in that wind, of course. But anyway, temperatures are just 12 to 18 degrees, something like that, really well below where they should be for the middle of June. As we move through into tonight, that low pressure is heading off up towards Norway. Another low pressure is developing down to the southwest. That becomes important from Sunday onwards. But for tonight, we've actually got a little ridge of high pressure developing here, very transient ridge. So the showers will quickly die away. And apart from some rain coming into the far southwest of England, it's going to be a mainly dry night with good clear spells. Temperature between around 5 and 10 degrees, no problems there. For Sunday, the low pressure is developing down to the southwest of Cornwall, beginning to drag up some warmer air from France and increasing the humidity. And really this low pressure, it's very uncertain what's happening with it, how far in it's getting, but it certainly looks like it's going to be bringing some heavy rain, possibly thundery rain, to southwestern and southern parts of England. And how far that pushes, I'm not sure. It may get up towards the south of Wales, in towards southern parts of the Midlands through the afternoon and the evening. Further north and east of that, not too bad at all really. Some good sunny spells. Few showers scattered around, particularly for Scotland, but I think fewer showers than is the case today for Scotland and northern England. Temperatures, well, we're generally around 12 to 18 degrees again, but it is going to be feeling a little bit warmer and more humid down in the south, and that's an increasing trend, I think, as we're going through into the first part of next week. Having a look at Monday's weather, and the low pressure then is sitting just to the south of the country across France, down in toward the Bay of Biscay, and again it's trying to pull up some hot air into the country. Actually, the main core of the heat is pushing off in towards Germany, some really high temperatures coming up early next week for central parts of Europe. But for us, we're on the periphery of the heat, but we're close enough to the low pressure to be getting some heavy rain and thundery showers possibly. So for southern England, a lot of uncertainty, but I think we do have the risk of some really heavy rain on Monday down in the south. Maybe some thunderstorms embedded within that rain as well. How far north it's getting, again, very uncertain. Could get up in towards South Wales, the South Midlands, parts of East Anglia too. So yeah, really the south looking at some quite heavy rain on Monday. That could cause some flash flooding maybe in one or two places. Again, for northern England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, not too bad, a few showers around there, but mainly fine conditions I think further north. The real action on Monday is going to be in the south. Temperatures in the south could be up to around 20, 21 degrees, 70 Fahrenheit, so perhaps around where we should be, and it will be feeling more humid as well, despite the fact there'll be quite a bit of rain going on. As we move into Tuesday, that thundery low pressure is probably moving off in towards central parts of Europe, but it could still be bringing some heavy rain, maybe some thunderstorms to southern and east areas. But again, I have to emphasise there's a lot of uncertainty about this early part of the week, a lot of very poor confidence of this period, but I think we're looking at showers and thunderstorms maybe pushing off in towards the east, with brighter, fresher conditions moving down from the west and possibly bringing some showers back to Scotland and Northern Ireland ahead of this area of low pressure sitting over Iceland. Temperatures again maybe around 15 to 20 or 21 degrees. Now things simplify as we go through into Wednesday, so funnily enough the pattern for the second half of the week probably easier to forecast than the first half of the week. We're basically in a broad westerly flow with low pressure up over Scotland and high pressure down to the southwest of the country. So we're looking at sunshine and showers, maybe some longer spells of rain for Scotland and Northern Ireland, quite windy as well. Mainly dry conditions for England and Wales. Temperatures will be, again, quite reasonable at around 15 to 21 degrees, but it'll be feeling a little bit fresh, I think, in this westerly wind. Moving through to Thursday, we've got a very weak ridge of high pressure again here across the country, very transient, so probably mainly dry on Thursday, some showers still in the north, but a lot of dry weather, reasonable sunny spells, and temperature between around 15 and 21. As we go into Friday, it all goes downhill again with this low pressure moving in off the Atlantic, bringing wet and windy conditions to many parts of the country. Temperatures will take a tumble as well, probably just 12 to 18 degrees, something like that, back below average once again. And that low pressure is still in situ over the country as we go into Saturday, bringing more showers and longer spells of rain probably into next week. Temperatures very much on the cool side. The charts from the weather outlook for today just showing that we've got lots of showers across the country, some longer spells of rain too up in the north, really showery day, could be some hail and thunder mixed in as well. There's the rain coming into the southwest as we're going into Sunday, with mainly dry conditions to the north and the east, about a few showers again possible for Northern England and Scotland. Very uncertain how far north and east that rain's getting, but it is going to be very heavy potentially down in the southwest. Very wet potentially across southern parts of the country as we're going into Monday. Could be some thunderstorms mixed in with that again. Very uncertain how far north it's pushing, but for Northern England and Scotland, lots of dry weather with a few showers scattered around. The thundery rain is in the east, I think, as we're going into Tuesday, gradually moving away into the North Sea with brighter, fresher conditions moving in from the west. And then really as we're going into Wednesday, it's an easier sort of forecast, mainly dry in the south, some showery rain up in the north, back to westerly winds and quite strong winds at that. Mainly dry weather for Thursday, a few showers still left in the north, but probably the driest day of the week actually on Thursday. Temperatures around normal, and then we're back to wet and windy conditions as we go through into Friday. So in summary, we've got a very unsettled period coming up, very unsettled week ahead. The south particularly at risk of some really heavy rain, I think, Sunday, Monday, possibly into Tuesday as well. A lot of uncertainty with it, but do be prepared for some flash flooding perhaps in some parts of the country with heavy rain, maybe thunderstorms as well. Then from the middle of the week onwards, the winds go back to the west. It's going to become mainly dry in the south, showers in the north, but back to wet and windy conditions and cool temperatures by Friday. So lots going on. I'll be keeping you updated at GavsWeatherVids.com over the next few days about it, particularly the rain in the south and thunderstorm potential. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.